Hi, y'all.
We're gonna have to split these.
Hi on the vlog.
Hey y'all.
We on our way to the ranch.
I ain't no foodie, no. Like if you talking about for food, I ain't gonna never come nowhere.
Oh, girl. I would travel the world.
I don't like to eat like that.
Listen, that's 90% of the reason I travel. For the food. 90. It's 90%.
95 to you.
Yeah, I'm not 95.
I give her as 98, 99.9.
Okay.
That's more accurate.
Also for the experience. Okay. I got on my pink shoes with my pink purse. I think I'm gonna put on my flats.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Yes.
Kiki.
Kiki. K-I or K-E?
K-E.
Okay, are you still for 7?
4. Hey. Every time. Every time. Every time. No, we always wind up matching some kind of way.
Sometimes, I ain't even looked at it.
I just did this.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, you see, thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You're the one I need. I see, come on, baby, it's you. Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Tears and eyes should have been more smart about.
God say no. Look, God say no. Look, that shit was a baby doll neighbor. Like literally, I died.
20 minutes later.
Me too. Yeah, we is drunk walking.
That part.
We looking for Target. My phone about to fall out my hand. Lord Jesus. We looking for Target.
She done made me break my shoe looking for some
I made you break your shoe.
glasses
No,
that
she.
I gave her.
I left it
kept
alone.
telling her to
I left it
take the
alone.
glasses,
I
take the
already had 2 pair of
Take
glasses.
the glasses.
I already had
So
glasses.
put them shits in her.
She tried to give me her glasses, but I already had like 3 pair of glasses on me. She left the glasses, so we had to go back and look for them. Now she done broke her shoe.
Like, trying to show the folks my
Yeah, I'm
shoe.
trying to show the folks your shoe.
Y'all see this shit? Y'all see that?
So now we're looking for a Target to go get some more shoes. In the sunshine. Press 1R because he had the, that looked like a Target sign to me. Let's see.
It looks about right, BFF. But we shall see. Like they say on the 5 heartbeats. Yep.
It's a lot of people here, a lot of carts. Oh, baby, that's up to you. You the one need the shoes. Okay, she wanna go to Marshall's. Ooh, she left me over.
The old shoe man.
And the soda. Okay. I can't leave
Say
out.
this man, because we can't go to jail.
Woo!
Because we don't even know if we getting in the car.
Mitch is so bad. Mitch, where the key at?
If it's in the bathroom, if it's in the bathroom, or if it's in the car.
And I don't even know when we went to the bathroom at.
It's downstairs. I know that part.
Y'all went to Target?
No, here.
I still got the hiccups. Ew.
Yep, yes, she did.
I didn't do it.
Janika did that.
I didn't do it.
You should drink that so you won't get the hiccup.
I know I am going to drink it. Mitch, your ass look fat. Mitch, you look thick. You look thick, bitch. You look thick, bitch.
When I say I be walking every day around. I need to do yoga.
Uh-uh.
Y'all better find them keys so we can get up out of here.
For real.
Wait, bitch, or Derek gonna be meeting us with the other kids.
Anybody got time to be waiting on Derek? My heart gonna be blown waiting on Derek.
She got the key. Who wanna pay her? Who wanna pay me?
No, you ain't got the key, mama.
You ain't got that key, mama.
That key
in
the
bathroom or in the car? It's in the purse. No, it's in the purse. Thank you. She says, look at her, Mitch. Look at me.
Y'all good at least.
This your car. She says this her car. Y'all, we is locked out of the car. We can't get in the car. Look at these motherfuckers. They want to go. Ugh. Where did y'all go pee at?
And we parked and we had to pee. We walked downstairs, we didn't walk down the elevator.
Y'all walk downstairs to go pee? Oh my God. Yo. We is SOL. Okay. How me just lose the key? Let me see the key. We got it from the front desk, y'all. Duh. We never gonna leave y'all in charge of the... We're not leaving y'all in charge no more. We're not leaving y'all in charge no more. What the hell?
No keys.
And we didn't go nowhere else but bathroom and find y'all. All right, let's go one more look.
I'm trying to car again.
She locked the car. The car is locked.
No,
Maybe
but
when I drop like a sign at the register, it might be at the register.
no, you already knew you didn't have the key at the register. At the register, you said you didn't have the key.
Y'all came up the stairs and said we couldn't find the key.
Yeah,
So y'all
at the,
already
yeah,
didn't have the keys
yeah,
when
at
y'all
the
came up
register.
second
Don't
floor.
try to play it us. They try to put it on us. They try to put it on us. We are never leaving y'all in charge again.
Please don't.
I encourage you not to ever listen. Even before the drink, without the drink, I have a forgetful ass mind, dog. Like I can't even backtrack myself to tell me where the fuck I went first, second, third, or fourth. I'm asking my ancestors right now. Ancestors, can you please? They say if you rub your hand on your
You two together? No, never again. Never again. They both of their ass get in the back seat. They get in the back seat.
Where the fucking keys go?
Look at that! What she had the keys in her purse? No, the fucking front desk had the key. You bitches get in the back. You don't deserve to get the fucking front. You had the key the whole fucking time. I went in there and asked the lady when you was in the bathroom. She gave me the fucking key. I said, we go back.
Somebody handed them the keys.
I ain't see
When
nobody.
y'all
handing no
It
damn
was a
key.
Janika press.
No, it wasn't.
No,
Same lady.
lady. She put her hand on the head. She looked at me and I did like this, and that's why she like no.
It was in the
It
second
was her.
car.
She was on the first floor and she went to
I'm
the
finna
second
cuss
floor.
her ass.
Get your motherfucking ass to this motherfucker.
said no motherfucking no.
It's y'all irresponsible. Look at this asshole. Go ahead.
Go cuss out, baby. We'll wait on you.
No, we ain't.
I'm gonna leave your ass.
Because Janika fucking lost a key.
No, we went to the, me and Kiki went to the front desk and asked the lady why them two motherfuckers, Pissy and Pissier, went and go look in the bathroom where they was.
Fuck y'all.
Thank God somebody took it to the front.
Thank
and
God.
took that bitch home.
Think a bitch wasn't trying to come back and
He's so
Right.
motherfucking mad that they ain't find shit but some Popeye's coupon.
No, my debit card was in here.
No, girl, they wasn't gonna get shit off that debit card.
So was it, but I want my debit card to give my damn debit card away.
She said, fuck you, Kiki.
oh y'all
Said,
on your
fuck
own.
you, Kiki.
I ain't say that. Did not say that.
You are the
Janika.
middle person. You supposed to,
Why ask Tia did she hear it? Tia, did you hear that?
Tia say she didn't hear it. Okay. I don't care if Tia didn't hear it. The bitch supposed to agree with me. Okay. I don't like your other best friend.
picture of me. The fuck?
What that
Oh
shit?
shit, with my phone.
That's your phone,
Bitch,
baby.
y'all, I don't give a fuck about them keys, but I need that phone. Straight up.
That's compared to all y'all motherfuckers, I'm the only sober driver in this motherfucker.
Oh, I can drive. Not me, bitch. We gonna be sitting at a red light till that bitch turn purple. How y'all doing? Wait,
Look, we feel better than them.
live. This
Motherfuckers
team lit over here.
They still losing shit. Bet not. We had a
Purse and phone. She left in the bathroom.
purse, the keys.
Purse and phone in the bathroom. It's the A team. That's the B team.
B for bad bitches. B for bad bitches. A for assholes.
This the hair page.
One more drink and Steven gonna be mad.
Uh-oh. Why? You gonna be fucked up?
One more drink and Steven gonna be mad.
Thank you. Yeah, it's one more person coming.
Oh, my favorite color. Thank you. My favorite waiter at Empire.
That's our favorite waiter at Empire. Which one is this, my love?
No start reckoning without it. Damn, I loved you. You were my girl.
All right, we done. Everything. Can't nobody look good. I enjoyed y'all.
I had fun, y'all.
I did too.
This was a great girls'
What
night.
what time it is?
It's after 10. Oh, it's gonna be 11.
11 o'clock. I gotta go home and do something strange for a piece of change.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.